May 1st, 2011 microprocessor motion project. So this is probably the final version of the wagon itself. I'm going to add the LCD at some point, but anyway, I've got it to move on its own. I've refined the mechanics a bit. I've been working a lot on the program, and the challenging part of the program has been to adjust it for the traction against the floor, because it's counting basically parts of a revolution of the wheel, and when things slip, when the traction is not even across the entire surface, you get varied motion, varied quantities of motion. Anyway, so I've got it running off a power supply. It's giving it 7 volts, but that's it. There's no signal here. It's all programmed in. Obviously we've got a drive motor down there and the steering motor up there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run it through a program that I affectionately call Turn Right. It is an ode to NASCAR. And I'm going to switch on the power supply and it should go. Fascinating stuff, right? Well, you know, hey. So I laid out the tape there so we could see where it started at. The idea, my eventual goal, is to get it to come back and sit exactly where it started. Oops. I'm just supporting the weight of the cord so it doesn't affect the steering, so it minimizes effect on the steering. Great, now it's going to run into the power supply. Oh, it's going to miss it. Sweet. It's awful late at night. I don't understand why the program is doing something, but I think it's too late at night for me to figure it out. My stupidity is increasing by the minute. Should probably sleep. So here we are on the home stretch here. Almost back. Ooh, see, it started to slip there for a minute. You know, this time it's actually doing pretty good. Gosh. I'm going to get ready to turn the power off here as soon as it makes that right there. So it was getting ready to turn again, a 4th time. But, you know, that's 4 corners of a square right there, and it did pretty darn good. It almost came back to where it started. That is awesome. So this is enough for me to call it a night. Anyway, that was my ode to NASCAR. I call the program Turn Right, and this is the Battle Wagon. Isn't my circuit board pretty? Yeah.